Number 6, make a choice. It means to decide between two or more options.
Tomorrow, I must make a choice about my major. Tomorrow, I must make a choice about my major. She made a choice to travel instead of working. She made a choice to travel instead of working. Making a choice can often be very difficult. Making a choice can often be very difficult.
Number 7, make progress. It means to move forward or improve in some aspect.
He's making progress in his English studies. He's making progress in his English studies. The project is making progress ahead of schedule. The project is making progress ahead of schedule. They felt happy to make progress with their plans. They felt happy to make progress with their plans.
Number 8, make an appointment. It means to arrange a meeting or visit.
I need to make an appointment with the dentist. I need to make an appointment with the dentist. She made an appointment for a job interview. She made an appointment for a job interview. Can we make an appointment to discuss this further? Can we make an appointment to discuss this further?
Number 9, make an argument. It means to provide reasons or evidence to support an opinion.
He made a strong argument for renewable energy. He made a strong argument for renewable energy. In her essay, she makes an argument against fast fashion. In her essay, she makes an argument against fast fashion. They made an argument that convinced everyone. They made an argument that convinced everyone.
Number 10, make an attempt. It means to try to do something.
She made an attempt to learn French. She made an attempt to learn French. I will make an attempt at baking a cake. I will make an attempt at baking a cake. He made an attempt to fix the car himself. He made an attempt to fix the car himself.